Hello everyone. Today we are escaping to the hills where the rain tells a story of flowers blooming, mice running, and nature coming alive. Stick around for a poem that will spark your imagination. And here we go. Tip, tip, tip. Rain on the hills. Ponds, lakes with joy it fills. The pitter patter of lively rain is never dead. It sprayed on the hills over the green mat. In the rocky flower bed, a small flower raising his head. Pretty pink petals seem plain, feeling and enjoying the first rain. On a rock, a mischievous mouse come out searching for a new house. A brutal black snake ready to douse. A brutal black snake ready to douse, chasing his prey, the mischievous mouse. A tall, thick tree standing full of pops, little leaves dancing in water drops. At the bottom, a man grazing his goat, covering his head with a tattered coat. Late night thoughts have a good acceleration, words flying on the wings of imagination. Thank you.